there, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miriam. For those that are returning, hey, thank you for coming back to watch another video. And if you're new here, hello there, consider being part of the family by hitting the subscription button and turning on your notification bell. So today I'll be teaching you how to make a hairspray that will actually help you grow long thick hair. So in case you're interested, keep watching. So like you saw, I started with black seeds. So those are crushed black seeds, and then I'm going in with Chebe powder, just a little bit because I don't want to use a lot. So just use a little bit of black seeds and then Chebe powder, and then you're going to go in with clove sticks. So I wasn't using any measuring cup or a kitchen scale. I just went in with my eyes, and then later on I put in like a glass cup of water into the plate, and then I went and heated this. I did not really heat it on direct heat, but I put it in hot water, and then like after 30 minutes I had to strain that out. Now Chebe, clove sticks and black seeds are a good combination because they promote hair growth. They also promote thick hair, they nourish your hair, and also they make sure that your scalp is nicely conditioned. So if you want to grow long hair, please do give this remedy a try. Mostly I spray it on my scalp overnight, and then I wash it out in the morning. If you do not want to use it that way, you can make it a little bit more diluted than it is now, because you can tell that that consistency is thick, and it's because I'm using it as a pre-poo. But if you want to use it as an everyday spray, make it a little bit lighter than it is, and then you can be spraying it on your scalp every day or in the morning, massage your scalp, then you are good to go. So this can be used as a rinse out spray or as a leave-in spray. It's up to you what you decide to do. So that has been working wonders. You know, cloves are trending and they are working miracles, but just add a little bit of black seeds in them and a little bit of Chebe, and you are going to see massive results. So if you're going to give this a try, do comment below. And if you've given it a try before, give me a comment also. Remember to like this video, invite your friends to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.